Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And I'm back at work. I've been averaging 3 days a week now. And this was supposed to have been on my doorstep last Thursday, and I was all excited because I was working from home that day, and I was going to take a break at lunch and show you the unboxing, but it got stuck in Memphis. So I got home from work today. Guess what I got? I got my paper pumpkin. I've actually covered up here because it's got my address on it. So let's see what's in the paper pumpkin. And this month's kit is called Summer Nights. And if you didn't know, everyone that placed an order with me last month got their name put into a draw to receive this paper pumpkin kit. So the lucky winner for July's paper pumpkin kit was Ellen G. So congratulations, Ellen. I was talking to you the other night, so it should have arrived at your doorstep today. So be on the lookout for your paper pumpkin kit. Okay, so Summer Nights. This kit also had an add-on, which was a bonus. Now let me just move something because I've got this little, well, it's not little, it's my face. And I just needed to move it so you could see the what I'm going to show you. So there was a Summer Nights, there was an add-on kit for this. And it was available while supplies lasted. While supplies last? I don't know if it's still available. So it was expand your Summer Nights experience and create at least 20 additional cards by combining the add-on with leftover pieces from July's kit. And it was $13 Canadian. I'm going to have a cough here first. I'm going to cough in a second. I feel a cough and a sneeze coming on. So the color, the Stampin' Spot color, is Blackberry Bliss. The stamp, what do we have? We have You're Invited, It's a Party, It's My Party and I'll cry if I want to. You Light Up My Life. Oh my God, I can start singing You Light Up My Life. I'm showing my age, aren't I? Oh, the Summer Nights Are All Right When Everything Magic and Bright. No. Oh, the Summer Nights Are All Right with Everything Magic and Bright. And then there's like a starburst. This looks like a little lantern. Little firefly, I think. Or it could be, this is a flower. I thought it was a starburst flower because I think that's a flower stem. And then the other are When, Where, and RSVP. So let's have a party. And I think this is pool party tissue paper. I don't know, I'm just joking. Oops. Okay, la la la. Yes, let me put this aside. I threw that on the floor, sorry. My desk is a mess because I was working on swaps this weekend and I've got one more left to do. It's not due till the end of the month, but I want to get it out sooner than later. And it's a Christmas swap. I know, see, some people are saying too early for Christmas cards. Others are saying they want to get their Christmas cards done because, you know, people work on Christmas in July. So you're darned if you do and you're darned if you don't. So here's the instructions. And oh, these are little lanterns. That's what I thought. I thought they were right here, little lanterns. I thought it was a jar that you'd put fireflies in. I guess you could do that as well. So the instructions, and let me tell you, your kit includes the Summer Nights Photopolymer Stamp Set, Blackberry Bliss Classic Stampin' Spot, postcards, envelopes, die-cut tea light bags, printed die-cut pieces, vellum die-cut jars with gold foil, embossed labels, baker's twine, adhesive-backed gold glitter enamel stars, mini dimensionals, and adhesive dots. The coordinating colors, I always like to look at these, are Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Night of Navy, and white. Actually, that tissue paper was Coastal Cabana. And then do more with this month's kit. Your paper pumpkin kit arrives every month with a fun, easy project, but switching it up and making your own can be half the fun. So remember that there's paperpumpkin.com. There's a Facebook page called Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up. And once a month they go through and do alternate projects, and it's some pretty awesome projects. I've said this before, that some people don't put their kits together until they see the alternate projects. It's awesome what people think of. So what's in our kit? Let's see what's in our kit. We have some Night of Navy, baker's twine, and some mini glue dots and some glue dots and mini dimensionals. Put that to the side. So my desk is very messy. I've pushed everything over to the side. Ooh, look at these glittery enameled stars. I don't think can you see that little sparkle on them? They've got sparkle. So these are the tea light bags. Let me just, there we go. So there's the tea light bags. You've got like a starburst. These would be really cute, like if you were having a barbecue or a patio party, you could put these on the table. I would use the battery operated tea lights. That's just me. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's cute place. Or you could put a person's name on the back of it, and it could be in front of everyone's place setting if you're doing a nighttime barbecue. These are the postcards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if you weren't a fan of postcard sized, what you could do is you could do a piece of Whisper White and mount this on the top of your Whisper White, and then you would, just a regular card size, and mount it on the top of your Whisper White. Or Blackberry Bliss, or whatever color that you wanted would go with that. And then we've got 9 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 envelopes. I'm hearing some clicking in my computer, so I hope you guys aren't hearing that. And then we've got these are not sticky, but they're die cuts. So you've got 4 sheets, and you've got, I'm going to call these fireflies. I don't know what they are. I'm calling them fireflies. And then these little candles, like lanterns. And then this is a roller coaster. Ooh, like these. These are jars. 1. And how many do you get? 1. They're really thick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got right. They're really thick, so I don't know where's the hold please while I get the instructions out. Where did I put the instructions? Oh, here they are. How many did it say you get? Oh, it doesn't say. Let me count one more time. I have to use the lick method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7. And then these are really hard to see, but they're labels. And I'm gonna punch them out, so that way you can see them better. They're really pretty labels too. And then we've got 2 sets of these, and I'm going to count how many you get of each. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the add-on kit. Throw that in the garbage. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you've got these. So they've got sort of an embossed edge to them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the same with this one. It's got like an embossed edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is what is in your Paper Pumpkin Kit. And then here are the cards. So these are like the note cards, the tea bags. And then, so these are the note cards. Note cards, tea bags. What I do like about these, they are 4x5 too. These are full size. So let me show you what I was thinking. Let me show you. Do I have? I don't have one. I thought I had a card base cut. I have a card base cut here, but then it would mean I'd show you what I've got on my desk. So I'm going to show you the back of this card base because it's got something on the back on the other side, and I'm going to actually give it to somebody. Oops, see, so I can't open it up. So this is the card base, so you could actually, it would mount perfectly on that if you were not a fan of the postcard size. So you could definitely make these full-size cards, right? And you could score it so that it opened this way, or scored it so that it opened that way. So if you have that choice. I just wanted to let you know that they are full-size cards. They're postcards, but they're full-size cards, 4x5 too. Yeah, I can hear something creaking, and I think it's my computer. Anyhow, so those are the cards. And then I'm going to show you what the add-on kit was. And I showed this, I think, in an unboxing. And you've got 20 of these. See, and they're very similar to these, right? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I can't count. I should have come home and just had dinner first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of those. This was the add-on kit, and it was $13.50, I think, or 13 Canadian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of those. And then, and it's got that starry, starry night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of those. And then the envelopes that went with it are that, and then that. So if you wanted to, you could, you have enough stuff to make 8 additional cards, 24 additional cards, 8, 16, 24, yeah. Sorry. I'm hungry. I should have eaten first. So that is the Paper Pumpkin Kit. Yay! Applause, everybody. So I need to put these together. I may wait to put these together to see what people do with the treat bags. Or sorry, not the treat bags, the light bags, whatever they're calling them. Because I'm thinking they would actually even make nice treat bags too if you didn't want to put a candle in them. So, what are they calling them? What did they call them? They called them die-cut tea light bags. But you could put treats in them too. You don't have to put, but they would look really cute on a picnic table if you were doing a evening barbecue. You could put them with a nice tea light in them, and you could decorate. All right, so that's it for today and the Paper Pumpkin Kit. And it was a really quick unveiling because something's creaking with my computer and I need to figure out what it is. All right, so take care, happy stamping, and we'll talk to you again soon.